Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Con Gaming back with another video. And this time we're talking about making that sweet cash online in 2025. Forget those soul-crushing 9-to-5s. I'm talking about businesses you can run from anywhere in the world. The beach, your grandma's basement, you name it. Think AI, automation, the whole 9 yards. We're talking life-changing stuff here. So buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown because these 7 online businesses are going to make some serious millionaires in 2025. The best part? You don't need a fat stack of cash, years of experience, or even a single creative bone in your body to get started. Let's destroy the 9-to-5 grind forever. First up, we're talking AI content agencies. 2025 is all about AI agencies, baby. Businesses are desperate for content, and they're willing to pay top dollar for it. I'm talking $1,000 a month easy, just to get their hands on some high-quality SEO-optimized blogs, killer TikTok ads, and email campaigns that convert like crazy. And the craziest part? You don't even have to write a single word of it yourself. That's right, AI's got your back. Think ChatGPT for whipping up blog posts, InVideo AI for crafting scroll-stopping TikTok ads, and Jasper for those email marketing masterpieces. Seriously, AI is a game changer, and it's only going to get bigger. Next up, we've got Faceless travel channels. This dude I know is making a killing like $47,000 last month just by posting AI-generated travel guides. No joke! And the best part? He hasn't even left his apartment. He's using the power of AI to create these stunning videos that make people feel like they're right there in these exotic locations. Step 1. He uses Midjourney, this crazy powerful AI tool, to create these insane, eye-grabbing thumbnails of secret destinations. Then, he pops those bad boys into CapCut, uses a pre-made template, and boom, 10 minutes later, he's got a travel masterpiece ready to upload. He just drops affiliate links from Booking.com right in the description, and the best part, you don't even need a passport to get started. Alright guys, this next one is a little controversial. It's YouTube automation and it's back, baby. And it's more powerful than ever. We're talking about using AI voice clones and stock footage to create videos that rake in views like nobody's business. Think about those Rich Habits of Billionaires videos that are all over the platform. How? 11 Labs, my friends. This revolutionary AI tool lets you create realistic voice clones that'll have your viewers thinking you hired a professional voice actor. One channel I've been following used this exact formula to pull in a cool $28,000 a month. Now this next one might sound a little old school, but trust me, it's anything but. We're talking niche newsletters. Remember what I always say, niche equals riches. I'm talking about finding a small, passionate group of people obsessed with something specific. Vintage typewriters, underwater basket weaving, you name it, and becoming their go-to source of information. Platforms like Beehive make it super easy to create and monetize your newsletter. You can charge anywhere from $10 to $100 a month for exclusive access to your insights. And believe me, people will pay for it. Find a subreddit dedicated to your passion, start engaging with people, and watch the subscribers roll in. Alright, let's talk about AI-powered course creation. This one's perfect if you've got knowledge to share but don't want to spend months creating a course. I'm talking about whipping up a $497 course in just 3 hours. Sound impossible? With AI, anything's possible. Here's the game plan. ChatGPT writes all the content, Canva designs those sleek-looking PDFs, and you sell it on Twitter threads. Don't underestimate the power of Twitter, my friends. It's a hotbed for hungry learners looking for the next big thing. Next up, we're diving into the world of digital product sales. This is the ultimate passive income stream. Create once, sell forever. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy make it easier than ever to get your products in front of millions of potential customers. You can literally make money while you sleep. Last but not least, we have virtual event planning. Think webinars, workshops, online conferences, virtual summits. People are craving connection and information, and you can be the one to bring it to them. Tools like Zoom and Eventbrite make it super easy to host and manage your virtual events, and the earning potential is insane. So there you have it, guys, the 7 online businesses that are going to explode in 2025. Which one are you most hyped about? Let me know in the comments down below. But wait, there's more. I've created a free 25-page guide that breaks down each of these businesses in even more detail, giving you the exact steps you need to take to get started today. This guide is packed with insider tips, tricks, and resources that I've personally used to crush it online. And the best part? It's totally free. All you have to do to claim your copy is comment #2025 down below, and I'll personally DM it to you. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, because tomorrow I'm dropping a bombshell video on a $0 to $10,000 per month TikTok strategy that's so effective, YouTube might just delete it. You don't want to miss this.